This demonstration shows how you can use cycle count enhancements to further enhance your business. In this demonstration, we will go over the cycle count enhancements for the current release. We will use the quick action link for cycle count to get to the cycle count UI. We will look for the cycle count name. So this displays the list of uncounted items. At this point, we don't have anything counted. Now let's begin our count with the lot item. We'll confirm the sub inventory. You can scan or pick the sub inventory from the list of values. We will use the list of values for entering values. We will scan the lot number which we find physically and enter the quantity for it, and before you do a save and confirm, you can now add new lots which you have encountered while doing the cycle count. You can do so using the more actions link which you see on the top right. You can invoke the add lot button and you can pick the lot numbers from the LOV. You can enter the quantity for the lot which you just chose, and in a similar manner you can enter any other lots that you may have encountered. So these are the two lots which I have encountered, and you can confirm them. You get a message which confirms that the lots have been added to the cycle count. Now you get back to the parent lot which you were just about to confirm, and before you encountered the additional lots. So now you can go on and using the save and continue action. So we just confirm the count for the lot item, and upon doing that you are navigated back to the counted page where you see the items or the lots which you have counted. So we see the lots. So there was one lot which we originally went to count, and while counting it we encountered two other lots which have now been added to the cycle count. Let's do a similar use case for a serialized item. So we'll click on the card, we'll pick the sub inventory and locator for the item. It says that there are these many serials which have to be counted. So you can pick your serial numbers from the values, and before you do a save and continue, when you encounter any other new serials at this particular location, you can add them to the cycle count using the add serial action button. You can add those serial numbers from the list of values. So you have added the serial. Let's add one more serial. It displays the two serials which have been which were found at this particular location, and we can confirm those two serials. You get a toast message telling that the serials have been added to the count, and at this point you can go and confirm your count for this item. using the save and continue button. So when you do so, now you have counted all the items and the items appear counted. And at this point, let's say you encounter an item which is a part of your cycle count definition, which did not appear in your in the list of uncounted items. But if you have found an item physically which you now need to add to the cycle count, you can do so using the add item button. So for this, you will have to scan the locator, or you can pick one from the LOV. You can enter the item number from the list of values, which will show the display the items which are associated to the cycle count definition. You can enter the quantity which you have found physically for that item, and on doing so, now you can confirm. So this adds the item to the cycle count. So now all the items which we counted, they appear in the list of counted items. This completes a demo for cycle count. Thank you for listening.